Insert chapter number 13, Exponent in Powers, exercise number 13.1, question 6, simplify. And now again I have written all the questions. I'll be solving one by one. If you want, you can pause the video, you solve these questions and then you compare your answers with mine answer. Or if you have a difficulty with any of the problem, you can play that one and see the later on. So now let's try to solve the first one. What it says, 2 into 10 raised to 3. So now 2 into 10 into 10 into 10. So now while simplifying, we'll put 2 as it is. We'll first simplify the value of 10 raised to 3. So 10 into 10, 100 into 10. So now we solve this one. That's equal to 2 into 100 into 10, 1000, and then 2 into 1000 comes out to be 2000. So the first is solved in this manner. Now let's move on to the second one. 7 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 4. Here again 7 raised to 2 is equal to 7 into 7 into 2 raised to 4 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So we simplify 7 into 7 is equal to 49, and then into we first find product of two number. 2 into 2 is 4, then into 2 into 2. So now 49 into, then again we'll take product of two number. 4 2s are 8 into 2. So now it comes out to be 49. 8 into 2 is equal to 16. So now 49 is the square of 7 and 16 is a 2 raised to the power 6 comes out to be a 16. Now move on to the third one. 2 raised to 3 into 5. So now this comes out to be 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So now we find the product of two numbers. 2 2s are 4 into 2 into 5. Now we solve 4 2s are. So the next step it will be 8 into 5. 8 5s are 40. So now where we are having the smaller number and we can do the multiplication. We need to understand this. What it says, they simplify. It doesn't say solve. So you need to simplify to a number. But if you know the product, like say 8 5s are 40, then even if you do a multiplication and put the answer, that's okay. But where there's a number is a bigger number, like the previous one, so you don't have to kill your time in doing the multiplication. It doesn't say solve, it says simplify. Okay, so now we move on to the fourth one. So the fourth one is 3 into 4 raised to 4. That's equal to 3 into 4 into 4 to the power 4. So 4 into 4 into 4. So now again I need to simplify the 4 is to 4. So I'll do the product of these two number. 4 4s are 16 into 4 into 4. So 3 into 16 4s are 64. So into 4. And now we'll solve the further step, that is 3 into 64 into 4. So 4 4s are 16, then 1 carry, 6 4s are 24, and then 1 plus 25. So it comes out to be 3 into 256. Now let's move on to the problem number 5. Now, problem number 5 is 0 into 10 to the power 10 square. So now we don't need to, even if you do that, that's okay. But 0 into 10 into 10. So the simplified terms comes out to be 0 into 100. But as you all are aware about, 0 into anything is comes out to be a 0. So now let's move on to the sixth one. Sixth one is 5 raised to 2, that means 5 square into 3 cube. So now 5 square comes out to be 5 into 5 into 3 raised to 3, that's 3 cube. So we multiply 3 times into 3 into 3. So 5 into 5 comes out to be 25. So I sorted this one. Then I'll multiply this to 3 3s are 9 into 3. So my next step will be 25 into 9 3s are 27. So this simplification is done. If you want to and if you have a time, you can do a further multiplication, but that's not needed. Even if you just simplify and leave it over here, that should be okay. So now we move on to the next one, that is the number 7 problem. 7, 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 2. So my next step I will be putting 2 raised to 4. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And then 3 square. So 3 into 3. I'll just solve to this extent the two numbers. So the 4 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. I won't suggest you to skip any of the steps. Do it as simple as possible, because if you try to if you try to do multiple multiplication at one point of time, there is a high chances that you might commit a mistake. So I would suggest you always go with the two numbers. So now I am going to do multiplication of these two. So it comes out to be 8 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now I add this one. 8 2s are 16 into 3 into 3. Now I will do complete the 3 square. So 16 into 3 3s are 9. Now if you want, you can further do solve it further. Since I mentioned it couple of times before as well, it's good to have tables from 2 to 30 by hearted, because then you will be able to solve this kind of a multiplication quickly rather than doing a rough work. You will be able to do it quickly. So now the 8th problem is 8th one is 3 square into 10 raised to 4. So 3 square, 3 into 3, and 10 raised to the power 4. So 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So 3 3s are 9, and then 10 10s are 100. So I'll do it in one step. Then I'll put 10 into 10. So my next step is 9 into 100 into 10 comes out to be 1000 into 10. So 9 into 1000 into 10 comes out to be 10,000. So you can leave it over here as a simplification, but this is easy as well. 1 9s are 1. So 9 into 10,000 comes out to be 90,000.